It's your girl KAYLA STAXX, back at it again with another video. And today, as you can tell by the title, your girl just did this super cute claw clip style, and I think it looks so cute. Like, I didn't want to do it, but my hair and me do not get along. It turned out super cute, and I don't think I struggled as bad as I thought I would. Look at the little beady beads. Anyways, y'all, make sure you continue watching this video and make sure you enjoy it. Okay guys, so let me kind of break down and explain what I was doing throughout this whole process. My hair was damp. It was not like drenched in water or whatever. But yeah, I started by parting it, and I don't think my part was straight, but you know, I don't even be trying to fool with my hair, so I parted it the best I could, and I think I just separated it into the middle section, the front section, and then the back that's gonna be clipped up. And yeah, y'all gonna see all that, so just pay attention. So at this point, I'm about to start slicking it up. Y'all saw what kind of gel I use. That's not really a strong gel, but yeah, I just took my hard brush and kind of brushed it towards not really the lowest part of the back of my hair, but kind of up a little bit so you wouldn't see the ponytail part. I did take a few pieces out just because I saw the girls on TikTok do this, and it's so cute when they take the little pieces out. So yeah, I sectioned some of those off so I would curl them up real cute. But I got the ponytail in the back going on, and then I started to slick down the front part. And yeah, that really didn't want to stay, but try a stronger gel than me, child. Alright guys, so y'all saw the finished look and y'all saw how I was looking all good or whatever. So with that being said, make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay blessed.